Alright folks, welcome back. I am going to make a fishing pole design. We've designed one of these before, but I haven't done a video of it, so I thought this would be a great chance for me to go ahead and show you behind the scenes of how we make our fishing pole design with a custom last name. And this is available on our Etsy store, so I'm going to show you what that looks like and made that for you right now. So we do this just to give it a little bit more of a weathered, worn look. You can kind of tell here, it just kind of takes a little edge off. that's how we do it. That's how we make the fishing sign, the Salty Dogz fishing sign. If this is something that interests you and you like the video and you like what we're doing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and maybe hit the like button and maybe pass it on to a friend. We also have this design available in the Etsy store. I'll put that in the description below. So we hope you enjoyed it. We hope you like it, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.